how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
I'm Guru 46.
Okay, so today we are asking between Tanzania and Uganda, which country do you prefer?
I prefer Tanzania
Why?
because Tanzania is more developed and I think their mindset na wase wako nao kutoka Tanzania ni wanajituma na they support talent.
Okay.
Yes.
And if you are told to pick between a Ugandan lady and a Tanzanian lady, who would you prefer to marry?
Tanzania.
Oh.
Si ndio unajua Waswahili ni watu wapole, watu wana maneno nyingi. So unajua tu stories za coast. So Tanzania obviously.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good.
What's your name?
My name is Saleh Ivy.
Okay. So today we are asking Kenyans between Uganda and Tanzania, if you are given the opportunity, which country do you prefer?
Tanzania.
Is there a reason?
Wow. First of all, their food. The food, their street food. Yani, it's awesome kabisa, and their spices. Me, I love cooking, so anything that has to do with food there and new spices and new recipe. Yeah.
And if you are given an opportunity right now to marry between a Tanzanian man and a Ugandan man, who would you prefer?
A Tanzanian man.
Is there a reason?
I feel like Ugandan men, they want a woman who comes to them like submissive, like you bend, you can't do anything without your husband's permission, like you don't have the freedom of living your life as you. Everything, if you're married, revolves around your husband and your in-laws, and you won't be able to be you. So Tanzania. Yeah.
How are you?
I'm good, I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Bobby.
Bobby?
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, between Uganda and Tanzania, which country do you prefer?
For me, I'll say Uganda.
Why?
Because it's chilled, watu wametulia huko. Tanzania got a lot of hustle, I feel like wako up and down. Actually, it's evidence kwa movie, so I feel like wako too hyper for me. But Uganda, they just chilled.
Okay. And if you're given an opportunity to marry between a Tanzanian lady and a Ugandan lady, who would you prefer?
Uganda.
Why?
The respect. I've seen like how they approach their spouse, how they conduct themselves, how they carry themselves around people. That is really dope. So I feel that's a good vibe. Spending yourself cheeky up and there. So Uganda.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
What's your name?
Kevin.
Kevin.
Yeah.
So today we are asking Kenyans between Uganda and Tanzania, which country do you prefer?
I prefer Tanzania.
Why?
Their culture, their accent, how they talk, just like how they, they put out their content. They know how to put content out there. Yeah.
And what do you know Tanzanians for?
Okay, I play football, so their fan base is very big as a footballing nation. Like they always their stadiums are always packed. You feel me? Unlike our country, which is something we are looking at, but we will solve in the future. Yeah.
Okay. And between a Ugandan lady and a Tanzanian lady, if you are given an opportunity to marry one, who would you pick?
Ugandan.
Why?
Hawana mambo mengi. Yeah, they mostly in their culture they usually like, I don't know how to explain it, but they are more wifey material. Yeah, that's what I'll say. Unlike Tanzanians who are, they
after
talk,
Kenyans, they follow us in.
Yeah, they talk a lot like, ndoweke Tanzania kwa nyumba. You'll go through a lot. That's what I want to say. Yeah.
Hi, how are you? What's your name?
I'm Vincent.
Vincent.
Yep.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans between Uganda and Tanzania, which country do you prefer?
Between Uganda and Tanzania?
Yeah.
Okay, probably Uganda.
Why?
I think as a youth, prefer the availability of network, the internet, easy accessibility of internet. So I think Uganda is more upgraded when it comes to terms of internet, and even the vibe of the people is too amazing than maybe Tanzania.
Okay. And if you're given an opportunity to marry between a Tanzanian lady and a Ugandan lady, who would you prefer?
Of course, Uganda.
Why?
Because they are too respectful. I think maybe loyal. They're beautiful, natural beautiful. They're beautiful.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Kanjana 254.
Who?
Kanjana 254.
That is your real name ama ni social media?
Social media.
Okay, Instagram.
Kila mahali.
Oh, sawa sawa.
Yeah.
So today we are asking Kenyans between Uganda and Tanzania.
Tanzania.
Why?
Because Kiswahili yao na yetu ziko at least tunaweza elewana. Yeah.
And if you are given an opportunity to marry a Tanzanian lady or a Ugandan lady, who would you pick?
Hey, Tanzania.
Is there a reason?
Yeah. Ni wapole. Hey, Uganda wanaka Waluya anaweza kupiga bana. Yeah.
Okay. Hi, how are you?
I'm very fine.
What's your name?
Hyper, or you can call me Abu.
Hyper or Abu?
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans between Uganda and Tanzania, which country do you prefer?
Maybe TZ.
Is there a reason why?
Maybe because I like the Kiswahili. Napenda tu venye wanabonga Kiswahili, so I don't know, maybe Kiswahili, TZ for their Kiswahili.
Okay.
Yeah.
And if you are given between the choice between a Ugandan lady and a Tanzanian lady, who would you marry?
Wayuji kuna venye wanakuaga. If it's lady, I'll go for UG.
Is there a reason?
I think I have seen UG ladies and I think they are attractive. They are, wanakaa fit. Yeah.